Disclaimer. Kindly refer image, or PDF, or, from the manufacturer for the updated fitment data. Fit type, vehicle specific. This tailgate assist fits a 2019 Current Ram 1500. Installation is a snap. This tailgate assist for the new Ram is the definition of easy with no drilling. No hardware needed for this installation. Just the shock in this kit. Ram has mounting points that are already on the vehicle. You carefully remove the tail light and pop the shock onto the mounting points at each end. Reinstall the tail light and you are done. Easy to use. The DZ Tailgate Assist makes the use of your tailgate an ease. By simply installing this on your truck will give you the ability to release the tailgate with one hand and not have to worry about that loud bang when it comes down. The smooth controlled drop allows your children to safely lower the tailgate. By adding the heavy-duty tailgate assist to your truck will ease the strain on the cables and hinge point by not free falling. You also will no longer draw attention to yourself when everyone hears the bang as your tailgate slams down. Feel assured, we have tested the tailgate assist for the use and abuse it will receive as it assists you for years. Top reviews from the United States. 2019 Ram with Ramboxes, perfect fit. Installation was simple, taking 10 minutes or less, and requiring a T25 star bit and a small pry tool. Remove the tail light with 2 screws and 2 pop rivets, click the shock onto the existing pins inside the tail light bay, and it won't slam down if you drop it. Done, and works fantastic. I'll report back if durability proves to be an issue in the near future.